Ethereum is a platform that is specifically designed for people to build these kinds of decentralized applications, or dApps for short. The Ethereum client, which we are calling the Ether browser, will include a built-in peer-to-peer network for sending messages, and a generalized blockchain with a built-in programming language.
Ether has a better shot at becoming a real commodity than Bitcoin. He says the Ether is an engine that helps drive blockchain transactions, while Bitcoin is purely speculative and lacks an endgame. Both got crushed yesterday, Christina, but Ether is outpacing Bitcoin by about triple this year.
It doesn't matter if you are interested in Ethereum or not. There is no denying that this cryptocurrency is performing exceptionally well and reaching new limits day by day. Breaking Bitcoin records, reaching new all-time highs with brilliant concept and a real-life application, Ethereum is here to stay. Amidst the cryptocurrency crash that left the market in tatters, experts and crypto analysts were in unison to declare that one digital token has the potential for an immense comeback in the long term: Ethereum. With decentralized finance apps running in its network that are set to change the landscape of the financial industry, Ethereum seems to get a nod from most experts as the best cryptocurrency investment. So, what is this video about? Today, I will reveal the biggest Ethereum update that will make everything dull in comparison to Ethereum. Also, along the discussion, I will reveal the recent and realistic price prediction for Ethereum based on technical chart analysis. And most importantly, I will share 3 important things that no one tells you before you invest in Ethereum. So, if you want to know all this and much more, then stay with me for the next 10 minutes that can change your life. Hey guys, and welcome back to Investing Few. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Make sure to do so if you want all the latest news on cryptocurrency. So, without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. With over 3,500 decentralized applications, Ethereum has established itself as the top choice for blockchain developers. However, a slew of competitors, new and old, are looking to capitalize on Ethereum's growing pains with projects like Polkadot, Cardano, and Solana that are eager to succeed where Ethereum has performed poorly. If Ethereum wants to stay competitive, the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade must first address its all-time high gas fees and its relatively slow transaction speeds. Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, and his team have been working to address these concerns, but have yet to make sizable changes to the current blockchain known as the mainnet. The new Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, however, may be exactly what the Ethereum project needs. This upgrade will address the current scalability, security, storage, and sustainability needs of the network. The 3 stages are 1. The beacon chain, 2. The merge, 3. The shard chains. The beacon chain. The first stage of the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade was already released in December 2020. The beacon chain will take over the role as the main hub from the Ethereum mainnet and handle data storage, on-chain security, and block validation. It will also transition Ethereum over from a proof-of-work model to proof-of-stake. Proof-of-work, the current model, involves validators mining blocks and securing transactions that reward them in ETH. This process can have a negative impact on the environment and push out potential validators that don't have the computing power to handle solving complex problems. The beacon chain, according to the Ethereum team, will help usher in a more scalable solution in the long term with this proof-of-stake model that will be discussed in the next phase. However, the role of the beacon chain still won't handle more complex computations like the execution of smart contracts, which is currently conducted on the mainnet. It will simply act more as a way to introduce staking to the network and randomly assign validators to the new shard chains in Phase 3. Merge. When will Ethereum go to proof-of-stake? Once the beacon chain is secure, the current Ethereum mainnet will merge with the beacon chain. This will mark the full transition to a proof-of-stake system from proof-of-work. Even though the marriage of the two systems isn't expected to happen for another 6 to 12 months, both systems are still currently running in parallel. Once the merge commences, the mainnet will become one of the shards on the beacon chain. We'll discuss shards in the next phase, but this is important because the mainnet will bring with it the ability to execute smart contracts on the beacon chain. Ethereum shard chains. The final piece of the puzzle with Ethereum 2.0 is splitting the existing Ethereum database to spread the load in a process called sharding. The Ethereum 2.0 upgrade plans to add around 64 new shards to the beacon chain, starting at the end of 2021. These shard chains will help to reduce validator workload by only having to validate one shard rather than the entire network. Mitigate threats to the network by reducing the scale of the threat to just that shard. Speed up transaction time and reducing hardware costs or requirements. The majority of the shards will be for data storage, but the Ethereum Foundation has discussed repurposing some shards for the greater good of the network. This may even include shards that can handle the execution of smart contracts similar to the mainnet shard. The month of May was filled with a couple of new all-time highs for Ether, during which time it crossed the psychologically important $3,000 and $4,000 thresholds within days of each rally. After some profit-taking, now it is on the comeback trail and traders are predicting a continued upward momentum if the Ether price indeed reaches the latest target, including a possible retest of $3,650. Some attention from the mainstream financial media hasn't hurt. DeFi pop. Ethereum has been at the center of some of the hottest crazes in crypto, one of which is DeFi, which is short for decentralized finance. Chances are you've heard of DeFi, as it is the blockchain industry's answer to a financial services industry that excludes people who are unbanked or underbanked. DeFi also cuts out the middleman, so there is no need for a third-party provider such as a bank. The mainstream financial media can no longer ignore the magnitude of the size of this market, and the Wall Street Journal has featured DeFi in a report today. Ethereum is touted as the key beneficiary of DeFi, considering most developers build their decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Ethereum blockchain. Some of the more popular ones are Compound, Maker, Uniswap, and SushiSwap, to name a handful. There is currently more than $100 billion in total value locked, TVL, in the DeFi space, more than $60 billion of which is secured on Ethereum, up from $1 billion last year. TVL is a reflection of the amount of funds secured in smart contracts via tokens on projects. DeFi has been a driver of the Ethereum rally this year, as users look to bolster their returns using crypto derivatives and adding leverage to their bets. Last year, the Ether price was hovering below $200. Current Ethereum price movement. The Ethereum price seems to be gaining momentum after consolidating in the past few trading sessions. The altcoin is trading at $2,840, which is about 63% above the lowest level on May 21st. It has a market capitalization of more than $320 billion and is the third biggest cryptocurrency. After spending the past few days in a consolidation mode, the price of Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies has done well in the past few hours. Ethereum has risen by more than 7.8% in the past 24 hours, while Bitcoin, Binance Coin, and Dogecoin have risen by 5, 15, and 14% respectively. Ethereum has done relatively well because of the rising inflows into the decentralized finance ecosystem. Data compiled by DeFi Pulse show that the total value locked in the ecosystem has jumped to more than $67 billion. This means that the amount has jumped by more than $17 billion in the past few weeks. This is an important factor since Ethereum is the most preferred platform by DeFi developers. So, what next for ETH prices? Ethereum price forecast. The 4-hour chart shows that demand for Ethereum has started to increase, as evidenced by the size of the last bar. Another notable factor is that ETH has cleared the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. Further, it is a few pips below the important resistance at $2,915, where it struggled to move above on May 26th and 27th. Therefore, if the price manages to move above this resistance, it means that bulls have prevailed. As such, this will open the possibility of the currency rising to $3,375, which is the 61.8% retracement level. This price is about 20% above the current price and is in line with my previous Ethereum prediction. However, if the price fails to move above this resistance, it will mean that ETH has formed a double top, which is usually a bearish signal. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts about Ethereum's price and its future? Tell us in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.